In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Windows 10 GPU. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just curious about your system's performance, knowing your graphics card details can be very helpful. Let's get started. First, you need to open Task Manager. The fastest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard at the same time. Alternatively, you can right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager from the menu. Either method works. Once Task Manager opens, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Performance tab. This section gives you a real-time overview of your system's performance, including CPU usage, memory, disk activity, and your GPU. On the left-hand side of the window, you'll see a list of components such as CPU, memory, and disk. Scroll down and click on GPU. On the right side of the window, you'll now see detailed information about your graphics card. This includes the GPU name and model, usage percentage, dedicated and shared GPU memory, and other performance-related details. This information is especially useful if you're troubleshooting performance issues or checking whether your system meets the requirements for games or professional software. And that's it! You've successfully checked your GPU on Windows 10. No additional software required. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tech tutorials.